If you have potatoes and chicken, make this recipe easy and delicious. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 3 potatoes into slices this way. Then I will chop a red bell pepper into small pieces. Then I will repeat the process with a yellow bell pepper. Now, I'm going to cut 2 chicken breasts into small pieces. The result of this recipe will surprise you. Then I'll put some olive oil in a pan to grease. Then I will put the cut potatoes in the pan. I'll fix the potatoes in the pan with a spatula. Then I will cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now I will season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika. Then I will stir everything very well for the spices to join well in the potatoes. Once this is done, I will remove the pan from the fire and chop half onion. Now I will put some olive oil in a pan to sauté the onion and 2 cloves of garlic. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Joni Roundtree from New Zealand. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Done that, I will put the chicken in the pan. Now I will stir constantly until the chicken reaches that point. I will season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and I will stir everything for the spices to add. Then I will put the chopped bell peppers in the pan along with the chicken. Then I will add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Now I'm going to mix everything very well until I get to that point. Done this, I will add a little parsley to taste. I'm gonna stir it up again. This recipe is amazing. Make it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I will transfer the potatoes to a container that can go to the oven, and I will fix them in the container. Then I'll put the chicken on top. Has become one of my favorite recipes since I first tried it. Now I will put mozzarella to taste over the recipe. Finally, I will take to the oven in 180 degrees for 20 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. Is a very easy recipe to make, has no reason for you to hand make in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.